You can create a newsletter in your account straight from your dashboard if you have the Quick Actions widget right here, creating a newsletter, or of course go to the email marketing space in your account, which automatically brings you to the Manage Newsletters page, and also where you can create a newsletter. And so creating your newsletter means you'll simply choose what type of editor you'd like to use, and then setting up some settings. So the linked list, so basically in what list in your account do you want the analytics for this performance of this message to be available within. So I can say it's going to be within this list. Message name is internal, so it could be new brownie recipe announcement. And the subject can be, brownie lovers rejoice, just as an example. You can personalize it with more contact data fields, add a symbol, and you could also specify your from field and reply to if you wanted to. There's some additional distribution settings. The click-through tracking is automatically on to track the links that would be clicked in your account. You can integrate Google Analytics, set up an A/B test, and enable for Facebook and Twitter sharing whenever you publish this newsletter as well right here. Then we can go to the next step, and we need to choose our template. And so we can do that from the hundreds of pre-designed templates that are available within our account. You can also start from scratch as well and build your own template, or use from some of the really great looking pre-designed templates that are going to be available for you. So let's say I've got some templates already kind of ready to go that I know I want to use, so I'll choose them, and they will open up in our newsletter editor. So it's a drag and drop editor that you can use through the basic blocks, adding additional blocks of content into the template, and clicking and hovering and seeing all of the additional editing options that you have. So we've got other great resources for all the ins and outs for how to use the message editor here. And so let's just go ahead and move on and say that we've got our message looking just how we want it to, all of the applicable images sized and looking just how we want them to look. Our content's up to date and we're ready to go. I can go to the next step and choose my recipients who should receive this. Let's say it's going to be my brownie list, and you could also exclude some recipients that you have if you wanted to. In the next step, you've got the message summary. You could view the template again if you want to check it out again. So just some extra details you can confirm before you're ready to send. Then you can send your message immediately or schedule it for some specific time or date in the future. Let's say you want to send it, within the next day at 10 a.m. and specify your time zone. And then you can enable additional perfect timing and time travel options to optimize the send time and delivery of this particular message. And when you're ready to go, whether sending it immediately or scheduling it, you can see, well done, our message will automatically be sent the next day at 10 a.m. and we don't have to worry about it. So it's as easy as that to go ahead and set up and send a newsletter.